Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome to Air Foundation School System. Our today's topic is interdisciplinary sciences, and that is from the first chapter of biology of grade 9 and for pre-9th classes, and that chapter is introduction of biology. Now, what is interdisciplinary sciences? The relationship of one branch of science to other branches cannot be denied. In biology, we study on various aspects of living organisms, and it has some relation to other branches as well. For example, when we study about the working of limbs, we refer to the principles of physics. So, we can apply the principles of physics to biological phenomena. That relationship will become biophysics. Similarly, when we study about the compounds and processes that occur in the living organisms, we should have some knowledge of chemistry, so that relationship of chemistry to living organisms will become biochemistry. When we collect some data that is related to biological processes and we want to analyze the data, we apply some mathematical tools and techniques to analyze our data. That relationship of mathematics to biological processes will form biometry. If we want to know about the characteristic of some living organism in different geographical areas, we will collect information about the occurrence and distribution of these organisms in different geographical areas. That will form biogeography. If we study the living organisms from economic point of view, for example, wheat production, we will calculate the cost value and the profit value of wheat, and we will determine our loss and our profit. That will form bioeconomics. After studying these relationships of different branches of science, we will come to our next topic, that is carriers of biology. What type of carriers can we adopt after study biology? Different carriers which can be adopted after studying biology are these. First one is medicines or surgery. In this profession, we diagnose some diseases and their treatment will become possible. And in this profession, we can repair some body parts, we can remove or we can replace, and all these are done in surgery. All these treatments are possible under the same course of MBBS, and we can also go for specialization. The next profession can be adopted by studying biology is fishery, and in this profession we study about the fish production. Fish quality and quantity can be enhanced, and this become possible only after bachelor level study in zoology. We can adopt this profession. Next career is agriculture, in which we study about the food crops and animals which are the source of food. This profession can also be adopted after some courses after secondary education in biology. Animal husbandry, that is related to care and breeding of some domestic animals. In this profession, we can improve the quality and quantity of some animals which become source of food. Horticulture. What is horticulture? That is art of gardening. It can also be adopted as a profession by studying a higher secondary education in biology. Farming. In this profession, development and maintenance of different forms is dealt, and different advice and technologies are used for the production of animals which are better source of protein and milk. Forestry. Forestry is also a profession in which natural forests and advices are given to the government for planting and for growth of new forests, and it is possible only after higher secondary education in biology or bachelor level study of zoology and botany, biotechnology. This is the latest profession in biology in which microorganisms are used and some substances are produced which are used for the welfare of mankind. In this field, we produce some medicines and some hormones on commercial level and for the benefit of mankind. So all these are professions which can be adopted after studying biology. If you find some problem to understand these topics, you can ask some question. Please try to understand and prepare these topics, and please do work hard for your success. And student, don't waste your time. Please follow the lectures, understand and prepare them.